Drinks like Gatorade and Pedialyte can help you pass a drug test as part of the flushing method. This is because it will help restore the specific gravity of the urine. So your sample will not be rejected as diluted. The same-day detox method works by flushing drug metabolites out of your bladder. After that, the concentration of drug metabolites in the urine will be below the detectable level. Thus, you'll have several hours to pass the drug test. The drawback of this method is that the essential minerals are also flushed out of your system. This changes the specific gravity of the urine. When the lab technician checks your sample, he'll reject it as diluted. Pedialyte is an electrolyte drink that contains potassium, zinc, and chloride. If you drink Pedialyte, these elements will restore the specific gravity of the urine. Another positive effect of Pedialyte is that it contains sugar. The sugar increases the insulin levels in your blood. With increased insulin levels, your body stops the breakdown of fat cells. Thus, THC stored in the fat cells is not released into the blood. So, you can use Pedialyte or Gatorade or any other electrolyte drink with the same-day detox method.